बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. This is class 4 and the period is English language teaching ELD, and I'm your ELD teacher. This is our 5th video, and in this video we will study the stuff of week number 6. In this video, inshallah, we will study about the future and past, progressive or continuous tenses. But before starting the today's class video, let's have a small recap of our previous video, video number 4. What we learned in our previous video? Well, in our previous video, we had learned about the present continuous tenses. What are the present continuous tense? Well, present continuous tense is used to talk about the things which are happening now. ऐसी चीज़ें जो अभी हो रही हैं and that are ongoing process, और जो आपके पास ongoing process में यानी कि जो काम चल रहा है उसको रिप्रेजेंट करें, वो आपके पास present continuous कहलाती हैं. For example, I am teaching you, I am speaking you, I am here, I am writing you, I am teaching you, I am speaking you. So all these action I am doing right now and they are not incompleted action, they are ongoing action. ऐसे एक्शन जो आपके पास कंप्लीट ना हो बल्कि वो प्रोसेस में हो, उसे हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस कहते हैं. और व्हाट आर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस? वेल, इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस helping verb present continuous tense are is, am, are, and the identification is that if the English sentence has is, am, and are, and the verb की first form with the and the verb and the verb that has ing form, it's called the present continuous tense. For example, I am teaching you. I am teaching you. In this sentence, am is the helping verb of present continuous tense. Teaching is the verb that what I am doing, I am teaching you, and we add ing with the base form of the verb in whole continuous tense. जितने भी continuous tense हम सबके साथ verb की base form में first form में हम ing add करते हैं. For continuous tense, I am teaching you. I am means मैं, teaching यानी कि पढ़ाना, you आपको, मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ. I am teaching you. It's mean the process it's ongoing. जो process आपके पास शो हो रहा है वो चल रहा है, वो finish नहीं हुआ है. तो all the continuous tenses are showing the process that are ongoing. तो जितने भी continuous tenses हैं वो आपको ऐसा process शो करते हैं जो आपके पास continue process में है. So this is the review of our previous video, video number 4. Now come to the today's class. Well, come to the today's class topic. These are our today's class topic. Today we will discuss or learn about the past continuous or progressive tense, and after the past we will discuss the future continuous or progressive tense, and we will apply this tense into the 3 type of sentences. Number 1 is affirmative, interrogative, and negative, and we will learn how we form a sentence according to this structure, and we will also discuss the structure of these sentences. So let's start the class with future continuous or progressive tense. In our previous video I have already told you the progressive tense is also called as continuous. Continuous mean ongoing. ऐसे tenses जो आपके पास ongoing को show करते हैं उन्हें हम progressive भी कहते हैं. So let's start with past continuous. Well, what is the meaning of word past? The time which had gone. ऐसा time जो आपके पास जा चुका है is called past, and the continuous or progressive means ongoing process. ठीक है ना? तो what is the past continuous tense? In past continuous tense we are telling you the thing that are happening at some point in the future. ऐसी चीज़ें जो आपके पास future में हो, चल रही हो at some point, this tense indicate those tenses. तो ये tense आपके पास उन चीज़ों को indicate करता है. For example, I was teaching you, you were eating food, you were learning, you were watching TV, you were reading, children were playing in the park, your mother was cooking food, etc. etc. In the all the things that are in ongoing process in some time at the past, ऐसी चीज़ें जो past में at some point पे ongoing process में हो यानी कि चल रही हो, उसे हम past continuous tense में पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है ना. Now come to the identification, how we identify the sentence is belong from the past continuous category. Identification आपके पास क्या है in both languages, in Urdu and in English as well. So come to the, I hope you have got this, what is a past continuous, the thing which are happening at some point in the past, it's called the past continuous tense. ऐसे काम जो पास्ट में आपके पास कुछ टाइम में कुछ वक्त के लिए कंप्लीट हो रहे जो चल रहे होते हैं आपके पास ऑन गोइंग, कंप्लीट नहीं हुए हैं, फिनिश नहीं हुए हैं, उसे हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई वाज टीचिंग यू, मैं आपको पढ़ा रही थी, और आई वाज ईटिंग फूड, मैं खाना खा रही थी, चिल्ड्रन वर प्लेइंग इन द पार्क, बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे थे. नाउ कम टू द आइडेंटिफिकेशन. Identification in English and in Urdu. Well, in English, how we identify the sentences belong from the past continuous category. So we will identify the tense with the help of the helping verb. हम किसी भी tense को उसके helping verb से identify करेंगे कि ये tense कौन सी category को belong करता है. So the in past continuous tense, the helping verb is used was and were. Was is the identification of past continuous tense. In whole past continuous tense we use helping verb was and were, and obviously which form of the verb we use with these helping verb. Like I said कि in whole continuous tense we use first form of the verb with ing. हम verb की first form को use करते हैं ing के साथ. So this is the identification of past continuous tenses. And now come to the Urdu. उर्दू में आपके पास क्या होगी? What is a past? Past means जो टाइम आपके पास जा चुका है, ठीक है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप जो है आप कल खेल रहे थे. So the in English is रहा, था, रही, थी, खेल रहे थे, खेल रही थी, रही थी, एंड वगैरह. This is the identification in Urdu. रहा show the continuous action and था, थी, थे show the past tense. रहा आपको शो करता है ongoing process continuous को, था आपको शो करता है past के time को. So this is the identification of past continuous tense. Now the question is कि we are using two helping verb in past continuous, was and were. With one subject we use was and with were we use were. किस subject के साथ हम was use करेंगे, किसके साथ were use करेंगे? क्या हम सबके साथ was use करेंगे या फिर were use करेंगे? Well, there is a pattern. Note things to be remembered. The note is we use was only with the singular subject like he, she, it, and where, or if we are talking about some other person or singular subject, even we use was with I. जब भी हम अपने बारे में बात करेंगे, I के बारे में बात करेंगे, we use I there, we use I with the third person singular like he, she, it. जब हम किसी और के बारे में बात करेंगे, और we use was with a singular name. Okay, तो was किसके साथ हम यूज करेंगे? was, he, she, it, I, and singular subject. Singular subject, when we are talking about the one person, it's called the singular. जब हम किसी एक शख्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, वहाँ हमारे पास singular कहलाता है. तो whenever we are talking about the one person in the as a subject, we use was there. Now come to the verb. If we are using was with a singular subject, then obviously we use verb with the plural one. Okay, verb. We use word with plural like we, you, they, or with plural subject. So whenever you are making the past tense, you should always remember this thing where we use was and where we use were. Okay, now I am repeating again. With whom we use was. We use was with he, she, it, and with the singular subject, and we use was with we, you, they, and with plural subject. Okay, now the question is how we form a sentence according to the past continuous tense. हम किसी भी sentence को past continuous sentence में किस तरह से form करेंगे, उसको किस तरह से बनाएंगे. तो obviously whenever we are forming anything, we need a structure for that thing. And that structure is tell us how to form that thing. Structure हमें बताता है कि हमें किस चीज़ को किस तरह से form करना है. Okay, now come to the structure. We are making the past tense into the three type of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. What are the affirmative sentences? Affirmative sentences mean a positive statement. In those sentences, when in positive sentences, you are stating about something. पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट आपके पास क्या होते हैं जिसमें आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में स्टेट करते हो, इकरार करते हो, ठीक है ना. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद पॉजिटिव. एंड व्हाट इज अ नेगेटिव? नेगेटिव मींस दो सेंटेंसेस इन विच यू आर डिनाई, इन जिसमें आप किसी चीज़ से इनकार करते हो. उर्दू में आपने पढ़ा था इनकारिया जुमले. एंड व्हाट आर द इंटेरोगेटिव? इंटेरोगेटिव मींस इन दोज क्वेश्चन इन विच यू आर आस्किंग समथिंग, जिसमें आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में पूछते हो, ठीक है ना, उसे हम कहते हैं. सो स्टार्ट विद द अफर्मेटिव. Affirmative. Come to the structure or formula. Structure. Why structure is needed? Well, structure tell us how we form a sentence according to the correct in a correct way. Structure हमें बताते हैं कि हम किस तरह से एक sentence को correct way में बना सकते हैं. So when subject, the structure always start with the subject. When we are making it affirmative, after the subject we use helping verb. And what are the helping verb of past continuous? Was and were. Helping verb is was and were. After the helping verb we put main verb, first form plus we add ing and object. This is the structure of past continuous affirmative tense, and the structure is subject plus helping verb was were, then verb ki first form. After the first form we add ing into the base form of the verb, and at the end object. This is the structure. Now form a sentence according to this structure. Well, let's take one subject, bird, birds, birds. After writing the subject, you will examine the subject is singular or plural, कि subject आपके पास singular है या plural है, because after the subject we have to put a helping verb. So we should know which helping verb is used with this subject. हमें पता होना चाहिए कि इस subject के साथ हमें कौन सा helping verb use करना है. So I have tried birds. Birds, it's representing singular or plural. Birds means बहुत सारे परिंदे. It's not bird. Bird mean one. Birds mean more than one. So if the subject is in plural condition, which helping verb be used? Was or were. If the subject is plural, if the subject is in a plural form, we use helping verb were. So birds were. Birds were. Then subject. Birds क्या करते हैं आपके पास? Fly. With the base form of the verb we add ing. Birds were flying. Where? Birds were flying in the air. परिंदे हवा में उड़ रहे थे. In this sentence, bird is subject, verb helping verb, and flying verb की first form, or you can say present participle, and all this thing is an object. So this is how you will form a a sentence according to the past continuous with the help of the structure. Now translate this sentence into in Urdu. अब आपको इसको उर्दू में करना है. Birds were flying in the air. परिंदे हवा में उड़ रहे थे. What is the subject? परिंदे. Birds mean परिंदे. हवा में उड़ रहे थे. In this परिंदे subject, हवा में object, उड़ना फ्लाई करना means काम. आपके पास हो गया verb और ये आपको शो कर रहा है किसको? past continuous को. ठीक है ना? Always remember how we identify which is the subject. The doer of any action is called subject. किसी भी सेंटेंस में हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है? doer of any action is called subject. काम करने वाला हमेशा सब्जेक्ट कहलाता है. तो in this sentence काम कौन कर रहा है? Birds. Birds were flying, तो it means birds were doing the action. तो birds आपके पास सब्जेक्ट है. And what is a verb? The action of any action. काम जो है आपके पास क्या कहलाता है? वर्ब कहलाता है. व्हाट इज द एक्शन ऑफ द बर्ड? फ्लाइंग. एंड व्हाट इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट? रिसीवर ऑफ दैट एक्शन. आपके पास रिसीवर कहलाता है. तो ये कहाँ हो रहा है? एयर में हो रहा है. ओके, नाउ मोर एग्जांपल्स लाइक आई. ओके, आई. विद आई if we are using the subject I, which helping verb we use? We use I with was. I was making a cake. मैं केक बना रही थी. In this subject, I is a subject, was is a helping verb that indicates the sentence is belong from the past continuous tense, and making is the base form of the verb with ing form present participle, and a cake is a object. ये आपके पास verb है ing के साथ, helping verb and subject. I was making a cake. Now translate this sentence into the Urdu. I means मैं. I was making a cake. मैं केक बना रही थी. I was making the cake. I am not making the cake. मैं अभी केक नहीं बना रही हूँ. But I was making the cake. मैं केक बना रही थी. So I hope you have got this, how to form a past continuous tense in an affirmative way. Now come to the second sentence. For example, I was speaking, I was sleeping at the night. We watch cartoon yesterday. हमने cartoon देखे थे yesterday. और we were playing, हम खेल रहे थे. ठीक है. Now come to the second one is negative sentences. How we form a past continuous negative sentences. What are the negative sentence? The sentences in which we deny something. जिसमें हम किसी चीज़ से इनकार करते हैं. ठीक है ना? हम मना करते हैं. For example, I was not making a cake. मैं केक नहीं बना रही थी. I was not teaching you. मैं आपको नहीं पढ़ा रही थी. Children were not playing in the park. बच्चे पार्क में नहीं खेल रहे थे. Birds were not flying in the air. परिंदे हवा में नहीं उड़ रहे थे. Ali was not flying a kite. अली पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा था. In all those sentences, you can note the word not or nahi. So those sentences which have the word not or no, those sentences are called the negative sentences. Yes, negative sentences always. Now come to the structure. Negative sentence are also start with the subject, and after the subject we put helping verb. And what is the helping verb of past continuous? Was and were. After the helping verb we add not for making a negative sentence. Not plus after the not we add we put verb. And which verb is used in present past continuous? Verb की first form. Then add ing into the base form of the verb, and the sentence ends into the object. This is the structure of past continuous negative sentences. Subject plus helping verb. And what is the helping verb? Was verb. Not verb की first form. Then ing. Then object. Now construct a sentence according to this structure. अब हम एक sentence बनाएंगे इस sentence के according. First take the subject children. Like I told you, the word children is a plural form. Child is a singular form and the plural is children is a plural form. So if the subject is plural, which helping verb we use? Come to the note, word. So children, word, after the word not, and word, you can take any word, for example play, and we add ing to the base form of the word. Play is a base form and add ing. And what is the object? Children were not playing cricket. Children were not playing cricket. बच्चे क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे थे. In this sentence, children, subject, helping word, not indicates the sentence belongs from the negative category, and playing indicates verb की first form plus ing of present participle, and cricket is an object. So this is how you will form a sentence according to this structure. Now translate this sentence into Urdu. अब आप इस sentence को उर्दू में translate करें. Children were not playing cricket. Children means बच्चे, playing means खेलना, cricket means cricket, a game, it is a name of a game. Children were not playing, बच्चे क्या नहीं कर रहे थे? बच्चे क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे थे. Children were not playing cricket. बच्चे क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे थे. In this subject, बच्चे is a subject, cricket is a object. नहीं indicates the negative category of sentence. खेल is a verb, and रहे थे indicates that the sentence is belong from the continuous, a past continuous category. Okay, now come to the next one. Let's take another subject. With I we use was. I was, after the was, not. I was not eating. You can take any food, any word, eating food. I was not eating food. मैं खाना नहीं खा रही थी. In this subject, helping verb, not means negative category, eating means verb with ing form, and food is a object of this sentence. Now translate this sentence into Urdu. I was not eating food. I means मैं, eating means खाना, food means खाना, कि मैं खाना नहीं खा रही थी. Okay, so I hope you have got this, how to make a past continuous negative sentences according to the structure. Always remember the structure is very important. Make the sentences according to the structure. Okay, now come to the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences mean those sentences in which we are want something or any जिसमें हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, और we can say it is used for asking question, और ये question पूछने के लिए use होते हैं. For example, what were you doing? आप क्या कर रहे थे? और क्या होगा आपके पास? were you eating food? क्या आप खाना खा रहे थे? और was I reading story book? क्या मैं story book पढ़ रही थी? ठीक है ना? So all these sentences are called the interrogative sentences, and always remember interrogative sentence ends in a question mark. Interrogative sentence हमेशा आपके पास end होता है question mark के ऊपर, and start with the helping verb, और start हमेशा आपके पास किससे होता है? helping verb से start होता है. Now come to the structure. Interrogative sentence start with the helping verb. And what is the helping verb of past continuous tense? Was and were. So structure start with the helping verb was and were. After the helping verb we use subject. After the subject verb we add verb, and which verb we are using in past continuous tense? In whole continuous tenses we use base form of the verb. and in the base form of the verb we add ing into it. Base form of the verb के साथ हम ing को add करते हैं, and after the ing there is the object. And like I tell you interrogative sentences always ends in question mark. Interrogative sentence हमेशा किस पे end होते हैं? आपके पास question mark के ऊपर. So this is the structure. What is the structure? Helping verb, was in verb plus subject plus verb की first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. Now construct a sentence according to this structure. Okay. Helping verb. First take any helping verb. Was. With was, which subject we use? Was always used with the singular subject like he, she, it, and I, or any singular name. Was Ali. Was Ali. After the subject we put base form of the verb. Was Ali right? ing, writing a poetry. And at the end question mark. Was Ali writing a poetry? क्या Ali नज़म लिख रहा था? In this sentence was is a helping verb, Ali is a subject, verb की base form plus ing, poetry is a object and it is a question mark. Was Ali writing a poetry? क्या Ali नज़म लिख रहा था? Now translate this sentence. क्या Ali नज़म, write means लिख रहा था. Was Ali writing a poetry? क्या Ali नज़म लिख रहा था? Now come to the verb. Make another sentence. With verb we use plural subject. Verb के साथ हम क्या करते हैं? हमेशा plural subject add करते हैं. Verb boys. Word boys show there are more than one boys. Boys आपको क्या करता है? किसी एक लड़के को शो नहीं करता, means बहुत सारे लड़के. तो word boys playing, word boys playing football, were boys playing football. क्या लड़के फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे? In this, were is a helping verb, boys subject, playing is a base form of the verb plus ing present participle, and football is a object, and question mark show that the sentence is belongs from the interrogative category. Now translate this sentence into Urdu. Were boys playing football? What is the subject in this sentence? क्या लड़के फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे? क्या लड़के फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे? And question mark. क्या show the was verb condition? लड़के means subject, football is an object, and खेल means verb. रहे थे shows the past continuous category. So this is how you will also form the these tenses, these sentences according to the structure. I hope you have got this. What are the past continuous tenses and how we form a structure or sentences according to the structure. Structure is always very important, and when we are writing a structure, you should know the helping verb. आपको helping verb पता होने चाहिए, and you should know which helping verb is used with which subject. आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि कौन से subject के साथ आपके पास कौन सा helping verb use होगा. So the things to be remembered is we use past continuous tense shows and shows ongoing action at some point in the past. Past आपके पास क्या करता है, किसी भी ongoing action को past में show करता है. Then we use helping verb was were. हम was were helping verb use करते हैं past tense में, and we use was with he, she, it or any singular subject, and we use were with we, you, they or any plural subject. और हम इनको use करते हैं इन subject के साथ. तो whenever you are making the sentence or structure, so you always remember the uses of the was and the were, and structure making is also very important. If you know the how to make the sentence, it is very easy for you to make a sentence. So this is the past continuous tense. Now come to the second topic is future continuous tense. Future continuous progressive tense. What is the future? Meaning of future. Future means the time which will come. It's called the future. ऐसा time जो आपके पास आएगा, आपके पास future कहलाते हैं. What is the continuous? Continuous means an ongoing process. Continuous आपको क्या करता है? Ongoing process को show करता है. Here it is a past continuous. यहाँ पे आपके पास past continuous है. What is the past continuous of progressive tense? Well, past continuous or progressive tense expresses an action that will be ongoing, that will be keep going at some time in the future. एक ऐसा काम आपके पास जो future में किसी time पे हो रहा होगा, आपके पास past continuous कहलाता है. For example, we will be learning English. I will be teaching you. We will be learning English. My mother will be making cake. मेरी mother cake बना रही होंगी. Ali will be fighting. Ali लड़ रहा होगा. Children will be playing in the park. बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे होंगे. Whenever we are talking about the future, जब भी हम future की बात करते हैं, so a verb that is ongoing in the future, we use past, future, continuous tense. तो हम हमेशा future continuous tense को use करते हैं. For example, मैं वहाँ जा रही होंगी. I will be going there. अली खाना खा रहा होगा. Ali will be eating food. बच्चे लड़ रहे होंगे. Children will be fighting. बच्चे लड़ रहे होंगे. All these sentences are called the past continuous tenses. If you notice, or in all those sentences the work is in ongoing condition. अगर आपने notice किया तो आपको पता चला होगा कि इन तमाम sentences में जो work है, जो काम है, वो ongoing process में, वो complete नहीं हुआ, but future में किसी एक time पे वो work हो रहा है. For example, you will be learning. आप पढ़ रहे होगे. ठीक है ना. It's not like you will be learn. आप पढ़ चुके होगे. No, आप पढ़ रहे होगे. किसी भी टाइम पे फ्यूचर में आप पढ़ रहे होगे, उसे हम फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कहते हैं. नाउ कम टू द आइडेंटिफिकेशन. हाउ वी आइडेंटिफाई. Identification in English. Identification in English and in Urdu. How we identify the sentences belong from the future category. We always identify our tense with the helping verb and with the form of the verb. हम हमेशा किसी भी sentence को किससे identify करते हैं? helping verb से, और जो भी उसमें verb use हुआ है उसकी help से. तो what are the helping verb? Well, helping verb is will. Will. Word will indicates the future category. Will आपके पास क्या करता है? आपको future की category को indicate करता है. जितने भी future tenses हैं उन सब में आपके पास will जरूर use होगा, because word will indicate the future category, क्योंकि words will आपके पास future category को belong करता है. So will be. We use helping verb be with the will. Why we use we to differentiate the future continuous to the future indefinite. Future indefinite को future continuous से differentiate करने के लिए हम यहाँ पे use करते हैं verb will के साथ verb be और base form के साथ ing. As we learned in our previous term, future indefinite हमने पढ़ा था. And what is the structure of future indefinite? The structure was subject plus helping verb will, and after the will verb की first form plus object. I will writing, मैं लिख रही. I will eat, मैं खा रही होंगी. ठीक है ना. Now come will be, and with the will be base form of the verb plus ing. This is the identification of future continuous tense in English. Now in Urdu, मैं वहां जा रही हूँगी, बच्चे खाना खा रहे होंगे. तो what have you noticed? मैं पढ़ा रही होंगी, रही होंगी. वो पढ़ा रहा होगा, रहा होगा. हम पढ़ रहे होंगे, रहे होंगे. रहा होगा, रही होंगी, रहे होंगे, रही होंगी. All these words that end in raha honge, rahi hongi, it means those sentences are belong from the future continuous category. ये आपको indicate करते हैं कि ये sentence आपके पास future continuous category का है. Rahi means ongoing और ga, gi, ge represent the future. In English, word will represent the future. In Urdu, the word ga, gi, ge represent the future. उर्दू में आपको गा गी रिप्रेजेंट करता है, बताता है कि ये सेंटेंस फ्यूचर का है, और इंग्लिश में आपको आइडेंटिटी क्या चीज बताती है, वर्ड विल आपको बताता है. सो दिस इज द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस और फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. इन इंग्लिश इज अ विल बी, हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी, एंड देन बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी. बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड आईएनजी शोज द कंटिन्यूस और प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. इन उर्दू रहा, रही, रहे मीन्स कंटिन्यूस. होंगे, गा, गी, गे represent the future. ये आपको बताते हैं कि ये future का है. Now come to the structure making or sentence making. As I told you कि we are learning the tenses according to the three type of sentences: interrogative, affirmative, negative and interrogative. Now come to the first one is affirmative. Affirmative means positive. Affirmative. Now come to the structure. Structure is very important because structure tells us how to form a sentence. Structure. Whenever we are making the affirmative sentences, always remember the affirmative sentence always start with the subject. जब भी हम affirmative बना रहे हैं, affirmative हमेशा subject से start होते हैं. Subject plus helping verb will be plus base form of the verb plus ing plus object. This is the structure. In this sentence we use will be with all type of the subject. हम हमेशा किसी भी subject के साथ इसे use कर सकते हैं. It doesn't matter the subject is in a singular form or the subject is in a plural form. ये चाहे subject plural हो या singular हो, we always use will with every kind of subject. For example, Sarah, helping word will be word pluck. Pluck means तोड़ना, plucking a flower. Sarah will be plucking a flowers. Plucking means तोड़ना, flower means फूल. सारा फूल तोड़ रही होगी. ठीक है ना? In this sentence, Sarah is a subject, will be is a helping word that indicates the continuous, or plucking means verb की base form plus ing and flower is a object. Sarah will be plucking a flower. Now Urdu, Sarah फूल तोड़ रही होगी. सारा फूल तोड़ रही होगी. Now come to the second examples. Another example. I, subject I, helping verb will be I will be doing my work. I will be doing my work. मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँगी. In this sentence, I, subject, will be helping verb, doing verb की base form plus ing and my work is a object. I will be doing my work. So translate this sentence into in Urdu. मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँगी, मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँगी। इन दिस सेंटेंस मैं आपके पास सब्जेक्ट है, अपना काम आपके पास ऑब्जेक्ट है, कर रही होंगी आपके पास क्या है, वर्ब की बेस फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी एंड विल बी, हेल्पिंग वर्ब और प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. This is how you will construct a future continuous affirmative sentences. Now come to the second topic, how we form a future continuous negative sentence. Now come to the negative sentences. Negative. Always remember negative sentence always start with the subject. Negative हमेशा आपके पास subject के साथ आते हैं. After the subject we use word will not be plus base form of the word plus ing and then object. This is the structure, subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb की base first form then ing then object. This is the structure. Now construct a sentence according to this structure. I will, after the will there is a not, be. Now put any verb. I will not be walking, walk, add ing into the base form of the verb and object. I will not be walking, I will not be walking, मैं नहीं चल रही होंगी. Like I tell you in our previous classes, the object is not necessary if the sentence give you the complete sense. तो we don't need a object to put there and those sentences are called intransitive. कि आपके पास लाजमी नहीं है कि आपके पास सब्जेक्ट में ऑब्जेक्ट की नीड हो. अगर आपके पास बिना ऑब्जेक्ट के सब्जेक्ट की सेंटेंस क्लियर है तो यू विल नॉट नीड टू ऐड द ऑब्जेक्ट एट दोज सेंटेंसेज. सो आई विल नॉट बी वॉकिंग, मैं वॉक नहीं कर रही होंगी. ठीक है ना. मोर एग्जाम्पल्स, आई विल नॉट बी बेकिंग अ केक और आई विल नॉट बी स्लीपिंग. बेबी will not be sleeping. Baby will not be sleeping or children will not be learning their lesson. Children will not be learning their lesson. Okay, so now come to the next one. Yes, come forward to the last topic of today's class, future continuous progressive interrogative sentences. Come to the structure. Help will plus subject plus be plus base form of the word plus ing plus object plus question mark. This is the structure of future continuous interrogative sentences. Will plus subject plus be plus base form of the word, then add ing into it, object, and then the interrogative sentence always end in interrogative mark. Now construct any sentence. Will subject Ali, then be verb play, add ing, object is cricket, add question mark. Will Ali be playing cricket? क्या अली क्रिकेट खेल रहा होगा? ठीक है ना. इसकी ट्रांसलेशन क्या होगी आपके पास? क्या अली क्रिकेट खेल रहा होगा? Some more examples like will my mother be cooking food? Will my mother be cooking food? क्या मेरी अम्मी खाना बना रही होंगी? क्या मेरी mother means अम्मी खाना बना रही होंगी? ठीक है ना? So this is how you will also form the sentence, different type of sentences according to the structure, according to the given class. I hope you have got this. What are the future and past tenses? We have learned in our today's class about the future and past, progressive and continuous tense. And always remember, when we are making the past continuous tense, we always use the helping verb was word, and we add base form of the word with ing. And if we are making the future continuous tense, we use the helping verb will be and add take the base form of the verb and then add ing into it. So I hope you have got this, how what are the present and past continuous tenses and how to make those sentences according to the structure. Structure is always very important. You will also make sentences according to this way, according to this pattern. So you will learn how to make those sentences. So that's it for today's class. Now take out your diary and note down your diary work. Yes, take out your diary and note down your homework. Week number 6, date is 21 to 26 December 2020. Day is Monday to Saturday, and the period is English language teaching ELT. And in this video we have learned or studied about the past and future tenses. So I am giving you the diary regarding this topic. So you will make two sentences of past continuous tense plus future continuous tense according to the three type of sentences: affirmative, negative and interrogative. Interrogative with Urdu, translation. This is your diary, your home task of week number 6, video number 5. Make 2 sentences of past continuous tense. आपने past continuous के 2 sentences बनाने हैं, 2 affirmative, 2 negative and 2 interrogative, and also translate those sentences into in Urdu. आपने उन sentences को उर्दू में भी translate करना है. After the past, you will make the future continuous tenses. आपने future continuous के tenses बनाने हैं, 2 affirmative के, 2 negative and 2 interrogative, and translate those sentences into Urdu. This is your diary work, and the second diary work is do the copy work from solution. Do the copy work from solution. So that's it for today's class. I hope you have got everything. If you have any problem, watch this video again and again so that your problem can be resolved. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.